In this video, we will take an in-depth look at the different operation modes available with EZmotion's all-in-one servos and how to set them up using the MotionLAB GUI. These are a few of the common operation modes that are available. In this video, we will focus on homing mode. In homing operation, the motor moves in a specific direction until it triggers the limit switch or reaches the torque limit, signaling that it has reached the home position. This method provides a simple and reliable way to establish a reference point for the motor's movements. Before proceeding, ensure that you are using the correct design file and that your servo motor is communicating with MotionLAB. To get started, click on the Motion Test tab located on the left side of the screen. Under Control Mode, use the drop-down arrow to select Homing Mode. Click the Motion Profile button to set the desired homing method and other settings. In this example, we will first look at the homing with limited torque method demonstrated on this linear ball screw system. Let's set the homing method to -2, the homing speed to 200 RPM, and homing torque to 15% of the motor's rated torque. Then press OK. Energize the motor and click Update. The motor begins to gradually apply torque and begins to move in a negative direction while monitoring the torque exerted on its shaft. Once the carriage hits the hard stop and the predefined homing torque limit of 15% is reached, the motor sets that position as a new home position, and the position feedback will be set to 0. In addition, a homing offset can also be added by clicking the Motion Profile button. Let's set it to 360 degrees. In this case, the motor will move 360 degrees after the hard stop and sets the current position to 0. For a complete list of homing methods, refer to the motor's user guide available on EZmotion.co. Next, we will look at a different homing method that utilizes an external limit switch. The limit switch sensor we are using in this example is a PNP type. The first step is to configure the digital I/O pin function on the motor as a home switch. To do that, click on the Parameters tab, then click on the I/O function tab, and then change the digital input pin function of the pin that is connected to your home limit switch. In this example, we will change the DI3 function by clicking on the drop-down arrow and selecting Home Switch. The desired DI3 polarity can be set to normally open or normally closed. Then save the settings to the motor by clicking the Save to Motor button. Then click on Motion Test and select Homing Control Mode. Click the Motion Profile button and change the homing method to 21, then press OK. Energize the motor and click Update. The motor will begin to move in the negative direction while looking for the home switch. Once the switch is triggered, the motor adds an offset of 360 degrees and zeroes the position feedback, indicating homing operation is completed. To learn more, visit EZmotion.co. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to get the latest on our innovative motion control solutions.